Hello my friends, just want to show you new arrivals of Italian viscose. You know it's my favorite thread and I am so happy with new colors. It's not all, just two kits I want to show you. This one is really lovely. We have golden beige, light pink, light purple and intensive purple. I made already sample of lace Sonia for this project, Blouse Sonia. Yes, we made smooth transition here and it's so beautiful and tender. Also motif Zuma, I try to work with all these colors. It's so beautiful and unique, just incredibly beautiful, and this thread is soft, high quality. These colors are incredible. And also second kit, it has very interesting bright colors, this golden beige, green, gold and brown. Also I work it with all these colors. I have created sample of lace Sonia and also motif like this Zuma in 4 colors. Looks really gorgeous. These all threads you can find in our store jthouse.net/store. Link you will find below this video. Visit our store. 2 kits are available like this and also 2 kits like this, 600 grams and 600 grams. Also you can find VIP packages for Blouse Sonia with this kit, with this one and few more. Just visit our website, you will see this, and you will get Crochet magazine, USB flash drive with video tutorials, crochet hook, sample of lace in colors of your choice. So, and you can create this blouse for your summer with new threads, new colors. It's so interesting and awesome. You can create really what you love, and this project will be special. You will feel yourself really beautiful, unique, and this will be one of a kind blouse because these colors are really rare. I know it from my practice. And also this thread is perfect for summer vacations because you will feel yourself very comfortable even in very hot weather. So I recommend you to use threads like this for summer projects, for tender laces, for dresses, for suits, for blouses, skirts, tunics, and you will get really something incredible. The result will be just fabulous. You will see this. So visit our website jthouse.net/store and choose your favorite colors. With big pleasure, I will send you package by UPS delivery company. Delivery time is around 10-12 days. You will get this package very soon and you will be able to start your project. And this summer you will wear something really special, and this will be really a huge achievement and you will feel yourself very, very happy, I am sure. Thank you for watching and see you very soon at the new videos. Bye bye for now.